How to buy FLAPPYBIRD token. So this token came under the symbol of Flappy. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go to below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created just 4 hours ago and increased by 4,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in a safe place. And as you can see, this token right now trending #1 in this Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your phone to wallet for that. Now we'll just log into my wallet first to be able to buy this token. So after that, what you need to do, click here on swap, make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here. Click on stop and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Flappy token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.